What's up, guys? So this morning we were watching MDRX. MDRX made a pretty nice move as a breakout, but we missed this trade. We missed it. So we were looking for a nice opportunity to jump in, and as you could see, it gave back all of its gains. Didn't give us an opportunity to jump in. So, um, here's the scan. Here's the chat room here. Right around 9:28. Basically, Mike was saying nothing looks good, and nothing really did look good. Um, Nothing looked good this morning. So it was definitely a scanner day. It was definitely a scanner day. And basically, this is how I have my platform set up. You could see this is my charts. This is trade ideas. You need trade ideas. This is basically um, my little chat section there when I'm typing in or whenever someone's typing something in. You could see Cliff called out SONN right there in the chat. And that's pretty much what I ended up going with because he called it out. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. Let's see. I'm going to scroll down. This is basically the chat. This is, let's see, right there is basically when Charles called it out. Well, Cliff called it out. And it was halted at that point. And I was looking at the daily, what kind of movements can this thing make? So I know last time it went up to like 16 bucks, and then it went to, um, I'm just pointing out the areas where it will come into resistance right there. So I'm checking. I always do that just to see what kind of problems it's gonna run into. But you could see it's Cliff that called it out, and I was looking at CARV also, and we missed the entry for CARV. These things move quick, so I was, MDRX ended up going all the way back down. So let me pull this up to where, yeah, this is CARV where I missed CARV, so I wasn't going to start chasing this thing because it was already taking off. So let's see, let's move forward where I went to. Yeah, CRV was very volatile. You can see I typed that in, and that's not something I feel comfortable jumping into. Something that jumps from $6 all the way down to 565 in one candle. Making those kind of swings is just not good. So I was kind of afraid of this one. So now let's move forward to. Okay, so SONN. Let's. Okay, so this is when SONN resumed. It was on the scanner. Also, Cliff is the one who called it out in our little group here. And so it was halted right there. And I was watching the volume. I see volume kicking in. Go time is right there. And I know my entry is at go time. So, of course, I'm going to risk, it just looks good. It's uptrending. Um, Everything looks good. It fits our buying criteria, so makes no sense not to jump in. And let me play this here so you guys can see. There you go. It's moving up. Boom, I'm in. And it went down a little bit, but I gave it some time. And as soon as it pops up here, bam, I'm pretty much taking profit. And I got a pretty good fill right there. And that was it. That was the only trade. And as you guys can see, let's pull this up here. Let's close this out. As you can see, This was the trade right here. I basically jumped in there, got out there, and that was it. In at 717, out at 753, and that was it. And I mean, it's Friday. Normally Fridays are like hit or miss days, so I don't try to stay too long on our Fridays, because Fridays, man, everybody makes that profit and they take a long weekend. They take off, and they go enjoy their weekends. Especially the guys who jumped in here. This was a pretty big move. So for me, I just wanted to see the little pop over go time. I was waiting for the volume to kick in. Volume definitely kicked in right after the halt. As soon as I saw volume kicking in, I decided, I knew it was safe. I mean, it's been uptrending for a while. So um, quick in and out. Let's see here. Quick in and out. Let's pull this up. Stocks. Let's pull this up really quick. So this is basically how it boiled down. I mean, 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So under 10 minutes. And this is how we do it. So hope you guys got some value out of this one. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, share this video too. Some people want to learn how to do this. Share it with them. All right. So I'll chat with you guys the next time I make a video. All right. Enjoy your weekend.